أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Last class we have finished the I'rab of verbs. Today we will see some of the examples from the Quran about the I'rab of verbs. So here you can see in Surah Baqarah ayat number 22, Fala taj'alu. Fala taj'alu. So here you can see la and nahiya. So this la is known as la and nahiya. So we will discuss types of la in the next class. So this la you can see it is a particle of majzoom. So particle of majzoom is if those verb forms which have a noon, so that noon will be dropped, and those verb forms which don't have a noon will receive a sukoon at the end of the verb. So here you can see taj'alu. So earlier it was taj'aluna. Earlier it was tajaluna. Now it has become tajalu because of la. This noon is there now. This noon is dropped and a temporary alif or an arzi alif is been added. So earlier it was tajaluna. Now it has become tajalu because of the particles coming before it. So it is a particle of majzoom, that is la and nahiya. So tajaluna, you all set up or you all make. Here you can see lam taf'alu. Lam taf'alu. It is a lam is a particle of majzoom as we said in the last class. So it is a verb form with a noon, that is taf'aluna. So taf'alu. This noon is dropped and it has become taf'alu. Taf'alu is majzoom state. So you all do. Now you can see lan here. Lan taf'alu. Lan is a particle of mansoob. Earlier it was taf'aluna. So lan comes before it and this noon is also dropped. So it becomes taf'alu. So you all will do. So lan is a particle of mansoob and lam is a particle of majzoom. In both these forms noon is being dropped, but whether this verb form is in mansoob state or whether the verb form is in majzoom state is decided by the particle preceding it. So this lam is a particle of majzoom, so this tafalu is in the majzoom state. This lan is a particle of mansoob, so this tafalu is in mansoob state. You can see here you can see an. An is also a particle of mansoob, similar to lan. An is also a particle of mansoob. So it was an yadriba. So earlier it was yadribu. Yadribu. Dhamma you can see over ba. So it becomes yadriba because of this an. So an is a particle of mansoob. So this verb is in which state? It is in the mansoob state. That is he set forth. He set forth. So here you can see an yusala. So earlier it was yusalu, lam with dhamma. It has become yusala because of an. So an is a particle of mansoob, means yusala means he joined. So an is a particle of mansoob which changes the dhamma to mansoob, that is in the fatha in the singular forms. That is yusala has become yusalu has become yusala. This is a verb form without a noon. So those verb forms without a noon will receive a fatha. Here you can see la ta'lamuna. So this la is la and nahiya. So this la and nafiya. So there are three types of lam. So this is la and nahiya, la and nafiya, and la and nahiya lil jins. So this la do not cause any change in this verb form with a noon. So this la is not dropping this noon. So this la is la and nafiya. That is it do not drop the noon. But if it would have been la and nahiya, then it will drop the noon. So la ta'lamuna. So la ta'lamuna, you all know. Ta'lamuna means you all know. La ta'lamuna, you all don't know. So this la is la and nafiya. That is it do not drop the noon. In case if this la drops the noon, then it la becomes the la and nahiya. That is which drops the noon. You can see here alam akul. So lam is the particle of majzoom, so it makes the verb following it into majzoom state. Earlier it was akhulu, now it has become akhul, that is lam will receiving a sukoon. Dhamma is changed to sukoon, that is it is in the majzoom state. I say, this is because of lam. Waw is also being dropped because waw will receive a sukoon. Already waw has a sukoon. Lam is also having a sukoon because of lam. So when sukoon is there on lam as well as on the waw, then the weak particle will be dropped. So waw is been dropped here and lam with a sukun is seen here. So akhulu becomes akhul. Here you can see la taqraba, la taqraba. Earlier it was this la is, now it is la nahiya, means this la will drop the noon. So taqraba, earlier it was taqrabani. So this noon is been dropped. So this is dual form. So taqraba means la taqraba. It is in the majzum state. Because of this la which is nahiya, it drops the noon. So you both approach. Here you can see la talbisu. La talbisu, because of this la noon is been dropped. Earlier it was talbisuna, this noon is been dropped and talbisu and rg alif is been added over here. So it is in the majzum state, means mix, and do not mix the truth with batil. Okay, so this is the mix. Talbisu, it means mix, and this noon is been dropped because of this la. And here you can see taktumu. So earlier it was taktumuna. So this noon is been dropped and it will become taktumu. How this noon is been dropped without any particle before it? Because of waw. This waw is a conjunction particle that will run in the conjunction phase, conjunction phrases. So this talbisu, because of this waw, this rule is been implied over this also. That is taktumuna it was earlier, and it will become taktumu because of this lam only. This lam implies on this verb form also. So that means it is also in the majzum state and it means conceal. Here you can see lan nu'mina, lan nu'mina. So this lan is a particle of mansub. So this verb form will change into a mansub. Earlier it was nu'minu. Now because of this lan, this dhamma will change into a fatha. That is nu'mina. So lan nu'mina, it is in the mansub state. We believe. Okay. Lan nu'mina, we never believe. Here you can see naghfir. Naghfir. So it was earlier naghfiru. That is ra with a dhamma. It has become naghfir. So it is in the majzum state, that is we will forgive. Okay, we will forgive. Majzum state, why? Because the ra will having the sukun over it. Here also you can see this lan nahiya. So earlier it was ta'asuna. Now it has become ta'asu. Ta'asu, that is noon is been dropped and waw will receiving a this rg alif. So it is in the majzum state. Act wickedly. Meaning of it is act wickedly. All these verb forms what I am talking about, with noon, without noon, all that we learn in the conjugation of a verb in the coming classes, inshallah. As of now, we are just dealing with the i'rab of a verb. So just we need to know what are the particles which are dropping the noon and what are the particles which are causing fatha to the last letter of the verb, and what are the particles which are causing the sukun or the last letter of the verb. Here you can see lan nasbira, lan nasbira. So lan is a particle of mansub. So here it was nasbiru earlier, ra with a dhamma, nasbira. Why? Because of this lan. So we endure. So here if you see ya'taduna, ya'taduna, it was waw noon. Because of this noon, it is in the marfu state. So it is in the marfu state. They transgress. No particle is before it, causing it to drop the noon. So when noon is there, noon is the sign of marfu. So ya'taduna means noon is there, it is in the marfu state. Here you can see yahzanuna. So noon is the sign of marfu. So it is in the marfu state. Yahzanuna. Noon is not been dropped over here. So they will grieve. Again you can see an tasbahu. Because of this an, which is a particle of mansub, so it causing the noon to drop. It was earlier it was tazhabuna. So this noon is been dropped. Now it has become tasbahu. So tasbahu, you slaughter. Here similarly an is there. An akuna. Earlier it was akunu. It has become akuna. IB. So an is a particle of mansub. In singular form, it causes the verb to take a fatha, and those verb forms with a noon, that noon will be dropped. Here you can see taktumuna. So noon is there, noon is a sign of marfu. You all conceal, marfu state. No noon is been dropped here. Similarly, you can see ta'alamuna. Noon is there, noon is a sign of marfu. You all know. So an yu'minu. So it was yu'minuna. So this noon is been dropped. Yu'minu. And waw with an rg alif. So an is a particle of mansub. So this entire verb form is in the marfu state by dropping the noon. They all will believe. You can see here lan tamassana. So this noon is a attached pronoun that we will deal in the pronouns class. So it is tamassu. So Elliot verb with the dhamma. Now it has become tamassa because of this an, which is a particle of mansub. It will touch. Meaning of it, it will touch. Here you can see falan yukhlifa. So this fa is an additional particle that has been added, that we learn in the additions of a addition of particles to a verb. So now it is falan. So this is a particle of mansub. So this yukhlifa is there. Elliot was yukhlifu. Now it has become yukhlifa. So it means he will break. He will break. Now here you can see one more particle of mazmum besides lam and lamma and la. The one more particle is in. That is a particle of mazmum. Elliot was ya'tuna. So this noon is been dropped and it has become ya'tu. This kum is a attached pronoun that will deal in the pronouns. So ya'tu means they come. Again you can see here an yakfuru. Earlier it was yakfuruna. It has become yakfuru. Why? Because of this an. This is a particle of mansub and this noon is been dropped here. They disbelieve. I yunazzila. It was earlier yunazzilu. It has become yunazzila. So because of this particle of mansub, he sent down. Meaning of it. So these were some of the examples of i'rab of a verb from the Quran. So inshallah you can try some more examples from the Quran. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.